2 out of 3 falls rules here, where the first to earn 2 falls will be our winner. And our combatants in this fight are the Hurricane and Roman Reigns. And across from them, they will be squaring off with Seth Rollins and Cena.
No one wants to make a mistake in a 2 out of 3 falls match. But one thing to note is that the first fall is crucial.
I mean, sure, plenty of competitors have come back from a 1-0 deficit in this type of match and gone on to win. But who wants to work from behind? Work smarter, not harder, is a saying that fits perfectly here. Brilliant countering by both competitors.
Now a shining wizard will rearrange your face. This is not going to end well.
Oh, an exploder suplex. Seth Rollins just getting dismantled.
Rollins has to find a way to right the ship here.
Seth Rollins didn't get what he wanted there, taking some stiff offense.
Hurricane making sure the competition has to stand back indeed.
And some might say you have no margin for error in a 2 out of 3 falls match.
Oh, that's not true. You have a margin for one error, but if you aren't able to correct mistakes and adjust your strategy on the fly, that margin's going to get thin very, very quickly.
Placing them into the corner.
Let's attack. Double axe handle smash.
Talk about being on the same page. They were on the same sentence with that fine piece of work.
Look at this.
Uh-oh.
Able to give him the slip.
Got him where he wants him.
Up and
Falcon arrow.
No! Shoulders down. Kick out before the 1 count.
Not even a near fall there.
He's 1 step ahead there.
reversal after reversal, proving they did their homework.
Ow! Tag is made.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Super kick.
Uh-oh.
Driven down with an elbow to the heart.
Cena's looking weak in the knees. Could spell trouble.
Go behind from the Hurricane, has him up. John Cena won't come back from that.
Brutal boot.
The Irish curse.
Climbing up top. He's got big plans.
Flying. Big splash. John Cena not looking so at home after taking that hit.
I don't think the competition heard the sirens, guys. He's feeling the power of the Hurricane.
Getting him into the corner. Tag, and this is not going to be good for their opponent.
Free fall neck breaker.
Oh, the power. And well-timed maneuver there.
Out of the turnbuckle into an overhead suplex.
Oh, foot just stomping down.
Wow, what a shot. Reaches his partner for the tag. Great display of power to the German.
Cover. 2. Cena's still in it.
He just won't give up.
Running leg drop. And Cena enduring some very effective offense there. Elbow drop.
Great height.
Oh, God, that hurt.
Here's the pump handle. Suplex.
Launched. The head of the table cinches it in. Guillotine applied.
Cena's in.
It's a very, very difficult submission to escape, but he did it.
the elbow to escape the attack.
Punch connects.
Reigns able to sidestep.
What a headbutt. The close of this match is just ahead.
This has just been an absolute massacre.
If anyone can make a big comeback, you know it's just by Reigns. Wow, Reigns nailed it.
Is it enough? The cover! Kicks out, just kicked out.
It's going to take more than that to keep Seth Rollins down. I can tell you that much.
How much more can you give, though? Was that the last drop of gas left in Seth's tank?
Reigns now realizing that he's facing an even tougher level of opponent than usual tonight. Oh, kick right in the face. The big dog's unleashed.
And Roman might just have more in store.
Here's the pump handle. Suplex.
Launched. Oh, that might have just broken something.
Perfect drop kick.
Neckbreaker. Boom! He is mentally and physically exhausted now.
Yeah, he's got to dig deep and find another win if he wants to stay in this. The Architect is going to need a heck of a plan to get out of this one.
Big forearm.
Cena has no control here.
Cena's just trying to weather the storm.
And an answer for the big dog.
But Cena still has to do more to get this fully in his favor. Looking for the Hurricanrana.
Oh, maybe not. This is not going to end well.
Driven down with a powerbomb.
Reigns putting his opponent to sleep with the guillotine.
There's the save. How close was that? And he's pulled the ring apron up, looking under there for something. Out on the apron.
Oh, this is going to be bad. This is going to be really bad. Back suplex on the apron. Oh, the reversal by Cena.
Spear by Reigns.
No coming back from Reigns after that.
Cover. Two. Oh, and he just kicked out.
There is too much pride. There's too much hustle in John Cena.
And Reigns absolutely can't believe it, but he cannot let that slow him down. And set right into the corner. Getting clubbed by the axe handle.
Oh my gosh, what impact!
Dominating shoulder tackle.
The Irish curse.
That will get your attention.
Scary pattern starting to form as that upper area takes more damage.
Whoa, drop kick all the way to the outside.
You have been caught.
Caught in the eye of the hurricane.
Two. He got him here. Hurricane. Setting him up.
Vertebreaker. Big opening for Hurricane to take this. We all know what Hurricane's lining up for.
Hurricane. Setting him up.